for this one, we're going to start anytime we see those parentheses, that tells us that we should be distributing, right? So 4 times x gives me a 4x. 4 times a negative 2 gives me a negative 8. And then I have this minus 8 at the end. Bring down everything else. I'm going to go ahead and combine these like terms. So 12 is greater than 4x, and negative 8 gives me a negative 16. Now to solve this, I'm going to go plus 16 to both sides. So 12 plus 16 is a 28. Adding that 16 to both sides does not cause me to reverse my inequality sign. Now I need to divide both sides by a 4. That does not cause me to reverse my inequality sign because the 4 is not negative. We would only reverse it if that were negative. So now we do our number line. And my 7 is going to have an open circle. When I test a 6, 7 is greater than 6, or 7 is greater than 8. 7 is greater than 6 is true, so I'm going to shade this way.